Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube, and in this video I am going to show you how to change video quality into your Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the video quality of your anime into Crunchyroll, you just simply have to open this Crunchyroll application at first. And after opening the Crunchyroll application into your device, you just simply have to open the anime which you are watching and want to change the quality. And after that, opening the video that you want to watch, you just simply have to click into this gear icon at here. Just simply click into the gear icon, and into there you will find the option for quality. Just simply click into the quality option and select the quality that you want and suitable for your internet connection. And after selecting the quality will be automatically saved at one click. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change the video quality of your anime into Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.